Hi, this is Dr. Veenu Kumar from the Holy Tree. I'm a clean eating lifestyle mentor and I welcome you all to Healthcare Tips program. So today we will be talking about how to build up immunity and as a holistically as a lifestyle. So the first rule, as I always tell, is not good food but also the timing at which we eat food. So we call it circadian rhythm. So when I say it is circadian rhythm, in ordinary language, I will want you to understand that it is the rule that when it is sunrise, that means you have maximum power to digest the food that you eat. And as it approaches near the sunset, then the power to digest your food decreases because even the nature is doing some work for you along with your body digestive system. So here it is circadian rhythm which we will be talking about. If you have like three options, so if it is a breakfast, if it is a midday meal, then you have a lunch, then it is a evening snack, and then it is a dinner. Don't you think your body does not need these 5 meals? What if you're eating just the 3 meals, but those 3 meals are actually completing the nutrition of your body? In this case, what will happen is that your body will get optimum energy and it will not waste energy in just keeping digesting the food that you're just eating just because you think it is required. So let's say you have 3 meals. So when I say you open your fast, that means breaking your fast, it should always be done as soon as the sun rises, as soon as you wake up after doing your pranayam, your walk, your exercise. So the first meal ideally should be the breakfast or the green juice, as I always say. But now let's think about something different, that it varies from person to person. So there are persons who think that they need carbs because they have more physical work. So if you want to take carbs as first meal of your day, even that also you can do, because carb is just another food. So carb is nothing like you have to think about it. Carb, we can call it like a grain. So cereals, carbs can be taken if you are more physical during the morning. So what you have to do is listen to your body. Do you think you are hungry? If you're not hungry, then just serve it with fruits and vegetable, and I always prefer vegetable juice and vegetable smoothie, and then it has to be followed with lunch. So when you replace one full meal with fruits and vegetables, that is the amount of fruit and vegetables you need in a day. So it should not be like 2 pieces of mango, or it should not be just half a cucumber. It should be one full meal of your day to keep your body alkaline. Then it is followed by lunch. When I say lunch is the best time that you can feed whatever you want. Even you can be playful when it comes to lunch, because lunch is the period when your body is maximum activated. So your body is actually exercising on its own also. So after that comes dinner. Now dinner has to be very close to sunset, as soon as possible, that means as close as possible to sunset. So this is the circadian rule. If I prefer a dinner, then it would be soup, it can be warm salad, it can be boiled vegetables, it can be saute vegetables. So that's what I call a circadian rhythm, and this is what I believe that we all should eat. You would be having queries, please leave in the comment section below. Yes, you have to eat right, not eat less. Thank you.